Kumshibanta ka jing no senyang ya kibam la Ïaid kejat bagi basupen don kam daga wheelchair hakapor bagi let kiwan hapo ka dong ba Shillong haka arpo arterik lebet arja arpusan ka Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Centre PMR kala pelat Paidbah ya ka wheelchair accessible vehicle WAV lani ka kali ka bakit ya kibam la Ïaid kejat ka bening kong tam haka jela bat ka than chatai lammi ngi kari India ha Bharat Scouts and Guides Laban. Hagadi kasngi Reverend Dr. R.R. Canville ula yo man pelat Paidbah ya ketika kali hagrengkat ka jia don lang ka Dr. Lahun lang so lia Director ka PMR Upasta Terence William Wanshong ka kong rinalin nongdhar ka badon jidu na hagdukotmen ki Dr. Nalor kiwe de. Haba ajeng kran ka kong rinalin kalapan pau ya ka jinkman bandon ka kali ka bakerpang na ka banta ki bam la Ïaid kejat bat kalay thuru ya ka jingsham jing ki baduna dukotmen ha ka bayad day bat kalet kawan lingba ki kali Paidbah.
I was always thinking that I was accepting myself as a person with disability, and I think I cannot do it because that is the mindset been insisted on. And I mean at home or in the society where you're living, anywhere you're living, you believe that you are disabled, you cannot do anything. People see a problem in us, right? They see us. When they see a person with disability, they will say disability is in us and it's not in the environment, once again. But let me tell you, disability is really not in the person. It is lies in the environment we are living. Like, I can say, maybe not, before coming to that, let me say that when we say accessibility means, accessibility has the deepest meaning to my understanding. Accessibility has the deepest meaning towards an independent life of a person with disability. Yeah? At home or at workplace or wherever you go. Yeah. So today, on the launching of accessible vehicle, I believe we are taking one step ahead towards accessibility. I mean, I used to go around like or PB. We used to go for shopping, and we would not hire a vehicle. Rather, we would just take along with me my friends who will help me, push me, instead of hiring a vehicle, because I find it not easy. It's difficult for us to, get a vehicle. One is you have to, if you have to book, and of course you have to spend money, right? And it's not easy for us to. Money also is not, it will be a lot of money also. That is one, and the other thing is, sometimes there are vehicles that are way too small for wheelchair, like you have to fold. Sometimes it's not fitting in the car. Also not just that, but we would take a lot of time. It takes time like for a driver to just, by the time they park, if there would be definitely other passengers, right, in a vehicle, they would be hurried. Like if they're taking us, we are taking the time too. So I will not say that drivers are not good towards us, but I will say everybody rushing with the time.
Reverend Dr. R.R. Canville ulaong bakas ngot tanat shibun baki brio kilaban Ïaid hi ni daki kali banedisha coffee shaki restaurant niki hotel hendrai ngosi pat baki baduna ki recordment kim yo ban penon kam bahawat ya ki kali kamai ha ka baki hab ban chuwai lada don kam.
And the Holy Spirit, I now launch this vehicle for wheelchair passengers, wheelchair people.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we have officially launched the wheelchair accessible vehicle, let's give a warm round of applause to Reverend Dr. R.R. Canville once again.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta i ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya